Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna tell you that how to factory data reset your Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you have to go to the settings of your phone, and after that you have to type here reset or factory data reset, whatever you want to put here. You can find this option, reset option here. Once you will click on it, it will say erase all data factory reset, and it will ask you for this option. If you will click on it, and you have to say okay, yes, I want to erase the all data, so your all data will be erased. And if your phone is locked and you forgot the password of your phone, so you want to reset your phone, so what you need to do, you have to power off your phone, and you have to hold the power button and the volume down button for 2 seconds. Once the screen got popped up, and after that you will find an option here, factory data reset. So you can control it by volume down and volume up button, and once you get to the factory data reset, you have to click the power button, so your mobile will be erased, and the factory data reset will be applied on it, and your phone will be in the good condition again. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video to see more content like this. Thank you so much guys.